How to change iPhone colors back to normal. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Color Filters. Color filters can be used to differentiate colors by users who are colorblind and aid users who have difficulty reading text on the display. As you can see, all the color filter options will appear below. You can try out all the filters from here. If you don't want any color filter, then turn off the color filters switch as shown. Following these steps, you can easily change iPhone colors back to normal. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.